Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, guys, what is up? We're gonna go ahead and get this new week traded in. We're gonna get this new week started. It is April 23, 2023. Um, we're gonna do a 50K account. We're gonna start with the 50K account. Where is it at? Where is it going? And my losses this week. I think this week I lost $1,253, I believe. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I lost them before we even head into the trading week with what I have looked out. So first things first, on Monday or Tuesday, I was looking to sell EURUSD, and I entered off. So I seen this break right here. You guys seen that clearly break. This wasn't an uptrend. So if you go to the link right here, I'll show you guys. I want to show me in here. I looked to enter off a sell, break and retest. It wasn't an uptrend. I'm not gonna lie. But I figured it was momentum was dying down. I've seen a lot of exhaustion candles on the 1 hour and on the 15 minutes. So you know what? Let's go ahead and short this. Excuse me. And so I entered off of this. I seen this. I wanted price to come up here. And last when I was in Wichita, my homie Luis and my homie Johnny were telling me that the reason my losses are so big. No, I told him my reason my losses are so big is because I have a stop loss, right? Let's say my stop loss is 5 pips, 20, whatever. Whatever my stop loss is, I know price is going to hit it. I just know it is. Like I know it's gonna hit it. But I would let the trade hit my stop loss, knowing damn well it was going to be a stop loss trade 5 pips in, 6 pips in. And my stop loss was, let's say, 15. Let's just say. They're like, bro, that's intuition right there. If you know that, go ahead and cancel out your stop loss. Go ahead and just take your loss. So instead of me losing 1,200 on a trade, which that would be like, my risk percentage to lose on, I would be losing 300, 400, 500, like half of my trade because of the intuition. So with anybody going forward with this is if you know you're going to lose a trade, you know momentum's on your side, you are on the wrong side of the market, just take your loss, bro. Just take your loss. So that's what I've been learning this week. So that first loss, I said cut losses short, momentum kind of was strong, broke structure, head to the upside. Eventually, it did hit stop loss. So I lost about 400 and something in that trade. A third of my initial um, stop loss, right? So then we go forward next week. This year is actually interesting. I was looking to take buys, close with small loss, weeks on both ends I did not like. So again, I lost like a couple hundred. I lost like 100 something on this trade. As you can see, 49, 526, 49, 491. Overall drawdown, I'm down to 508. So far at this point, I have 3 losses on EURUSD. And so I wanted price. You see this? I wanted price to come up here for the buy, up, down, take it for the buy, and then switch into the momentum of a bullish. Now, me seeing these wicks, I was like, you know what? Price can go either way. Price can just wick, 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 then melt, or price can go wick, 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 then shoot up. Like, you know what? I'm gonna just take my small loss. I was like minus 50, minus 60. It was a very, very, very small loss. But what I did realize was this trade throughout the week eventually did went to my TP. Was my problem not holding it? Maybe not. Was my problem not being able to see all the way through? Possibly. Right. So now I'm down the drain $500. So on Thursday, I lost almost $600. It was 592. I seen this momentum of EURUSD, and this was all EURUSD. EURUSD fucked me. I was just on the wrong side of the market this week. EURUSD fucked me in the beginning, and I was like, you know what, this momentum to go. Let's continue this momentum. Let's continue to push it. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was feeding off the point where you know what, I need EU to go up so I can just cover my loss and get back a break even. But having a trade to go your way is one of the fastest ways for you to look at the market the wrong way. Let me see that. I'm gonna say that again. Having to make the market forcefully go your way is a way to lose a lot of money a lot very fast. So I answered off 2 trades. Like, you know what? I did see the wick rejection, but I was like, you know what? That second candle right here, You know what? It's gonna close. If it closes above, we're good. Again, it didn't go my way. As we can see here, oh shit, I can't move it. Fuck. That little zone box that I marked up. After I seen that strong bullish candle down, I was like, you know what? I seen that drop. I'm gonna close my trades again. My intuition, it's saving me a lot of money so far. So then Friday, I did not trade because I felt very sick. I woke up with like quote unquote strep throat ish, and whatnot. But yeah. So right now, overall drawdown, we're overall drawdown 1100, 1125. Definitely good doable. You know, if you have a 50K account, you can get two trades, two 50 20, get 30, get anywhere from 50 pips. That's a two lot on a 50 pip. That's a rack. You're good. You know, you can even get two trades, 25 and 25, a rack. You're good. So this week the goal is to break even, but it's to get winning trades. What I do, the good and the bad of last week was the bad was I was just on the wrong side of the market. Like it is what it is. My analysis did not play out how I wanted them to play out. It is what it is. We have to move forward. It's another week. The good side of the market, though, the good things that from last week were my intuition. I started eating off of that. If I know it's gonna hit stop loss, cut the loss. So if it wasn't for my intuition, I honestly would have been down probably like 4 or 5K already. So shout out to my intuition, shout out to Johnny, shout out to Luis for telling me that shit. So now going forward into this week, I've been looking at Johnny. He has something that I like to call the he likes to what we like to call the New York kill zone. There's also a London kill zone, but since I'm up for New York, we're gonna go ahead and look at that. But this all of this looks very sloppy, which honestly I don't want to delete this because it's what I'm looking forward to. So just bear with me. I know there's a lot of things on the chart. I know. I'm not doing no fucking crazy shit. It's just I'm back testing and I do not want to erase my back testing. I know what I'm looking at. I'm not giving you guys a strategy. It's just what I look at for the market this week. But going off first things first, we're gonna go ahead and look at the DXY first. And let's look at news. Tomorrow, no news. Perfect. You got a couple EUSD, okay, some red followers Tuesday. Okay, this should be another good week. This should be another good week. We should look forward into doing this, and then we'll just go from there. All right, DXY. I definitely see the DXY coming down to here, to these levels down here. I wouldn't see why not. It is on overall downtrend. It's lower low, lower low, low. It doesn't seem that it wants to break this at all. I feel like it goes up to here and then comes right back down. Look at it. Reject, reject, reject. So if DXY comes down, these go up. DXY comes up, these go down. So with DXY coming down and EURUSD pushing in a bullish momentum, I'm gonna erase this tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna back this tonight. So please ignore that. Don't look at that. Just off quickly, where the heck did I leave my thing at? Where's my bar at? There it is. Gotcha, bitch. Okay. So I'm just gonna honestly be waiting for price to go here. So as long as if it's above, start looking for some buys and go up with the structure. But right now, EURUSD, we'll see what happens in the kill zone. The kill zone usually happens like this. With what I have is from 6 to 9, price goes up and then comes down. So if I can have the kill zone tomorrow morning for price to go up and then come down, that's what we're looking at. So we're gonna be looking for some buys tomorrow morning before after. For EURUSD, I'm gonna be looking for. Let's see. Let's write that down. EU buys before kill zone, sells after kill zone. Okay. Honestly, almost the same exact scenario for GG JPB USD. which I really don't want to mark no charts yet. It was this video is more so like how I'm telling you guys how I lost the money. So if I don't see nothing quickly, like I'm just gonna end it 'cause I don't want to make this video super long. I really want UCAT to drop this 4 hour candle right there, rejected pretty strongly. Same thing as his daily. Um, if this daily can if during London we can get below this, I'm definitely gonna be looking into some sells on UCAD. It has to get below this, so if it doesn't get below that, I'm taking it. So UCAD sells coming up very shortly. EURJPY definitely taking some buys. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Reject, reject. Okay, okay. Okay. We'll see what happens with the EURJPY. If it can stay below this, we'll look into it. If not, we'll shift perspectives. Um, hmm. See, but then again, if I look on the data, that strong rejection, it price tell with this wick right here, price is telling me it does not want to be there. But yeah, it's Sunday, guys. I really don't have much of an outlook for you guys. I am gonna do another video probably Wednesday before I go to this concert. I'm super excited. I've been talking about it for days now. I am super excited. I'm about to go start country dancing. I look good too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I got some boots. I got some good shirts. I got some good jeans. I look good. So EU buys before the kill zone. After the kill zone, we got sells. Other than that, guys, this video was really just more about how I lost the trades this week. So what I learned last week was I was on the wrong side of the market. Shit just didn't go out how I planned it to go. And let's actually show you guys this part right here. Yeah. So I take in what is it? 7 trades. Yeah, 2 trades, 4 trades. Yeah, it adds up. So yeah, these are the numbers. We're not in profit yet. So yeah, we're gonna be very picky on this week going forward, and we're just gonna go for that. I would always on the rest of the market, but what I did learn this week is my intuition is the one that saved me. My losses could have been a lot bigger, but they weren't because I hear Johnny lose his voice. Cut your losses, bro. Cut your losses. So guys, I appreciate it. Transparency always. And I'll see you guys probably with Tuesday or Wednesday.